These are the 5 weirdest Toyota Tacoma features that most people don't know about. Even though I've owned 4 of these trucks, I still find a few things just to be a little weird. Starting off with number 1, the amount of cup holders that this truck has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So the reason it's weird to me is because the Toyota Tacoma can only hold 4 people. Well, I mean 5, but realistically 4 people. That means each person has like a little over 3 cup holders for themselves. Just seems a bit much. The second weird feature is actually on the outside of the truck. And once you see it, you really can't unsee it. But this right here, they put this so that the air flows better. It actually flows all the way to the taillights. So you have one right here and you have another one right here. We also were supposed to have one on the front of the truck, but we ended up removing ours. So number 3 are the little inserts that they put in your bed so that you could stack wood on them. So you see that right there and that right there. They actually put that there so you can sit a piece of wood flat across. And you can actually put another one all the way back there in that gap. What I thought was a weird bed style is actually functional. I'm curious to know if any of you guys have actually used that. Let me know down below. Stepping inside for number 4, at first glance, this is your traction control button. You would think you just press it and it turns off. Not necessarily. It turns on the auto LSD. So what that means is when one wheel is spinning, it's gonna try to stop that wheel from spinning, giving power to the other wheel. It's a good off-road feature, don't get me wrong. But when you wanna turn your traction control off, that's not what you want. Press and hold it. Then and only then does traction go off. So if you didn't know, now you know. That's how you turn traction control off. Moving on to number 5. It's just weird to me because I never thought windshield wipers, of all things, needed this much customization. So check it out. You have 1, 2, 3 different speeds, but then you also have 1, 2, 3 more different speeds. So you can configure this thing however you want it. This at the bottom is your lowest speed. You got to mess with it a lot to find your sweet spot. Me personally, I have it on the fastest, and then I just leave it at the first. I believe like 3 seconds in between. So 1, 2, 3, bada boom, bada bing. That's why I like it. Let me know, have you messed with this and where do you have it at?